Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best drones on AliExpress in 2026, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'll be covering 5 of the best drones you can buy right now, from budget-friendly GPS drones to 8K camera drones with 3-axis gimbals. I'll break down the key features, real-world performance, pros and cons, and help you decide which one is worth your money. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. So, let's get started. Number 1. L600 Pro Max Drone, 8K camera, 3-axis gimbal. The L600 Pro Max is one of the most feature-packed drones you can find on AliExpress right now. It comes with an 8K HD camera, a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, 5G Wi-Fi FPV, and brushless motors. You also get obstacle avoidance sensors and a large-screen remote controller, which is rare at this price. In real use, the L600 Pro Max delivers very stable footage, thanks to the 3-axis gimbal. The GPS positioning helps keep the drone steady in the air, and features like Return to Home and Follow Me mode work surprisingly well. This drone is best suited for aerial photography enthusiasts who want high resolution without paying DJI-level prices. Pros: 8K camera with 3-axis gimbal, strong flight stability, obstacle avoidance, large screen remote control. Cons: 8K video is more for marketing than true cinema quality. App UI could be better, not beginner-friendly for first-time pilots. Number 2. Potensic C0 4K GPS drone under 249 grams. Next up is the Potensic Atom, one of the most popular lightweight GPS drones worldwide. This drone features a 4K camera, 3-axis gimbal, 6-kilometer transmission range, and weighs under 249 grams, meaning no registration required in many countries. The Potensic Atom really shines in video stabilization and reliability. Footage looks smooth, GPS lock is fast, and intelligent modes like visual tracking and quick shots work extremely well. It's perfect for travel vloggers and beginners who want premium performance without legal hassles. Pros: under 249 grams, no registration in many regions, excellent 3-axis gimbal stabilization, long 6-kilometer transmission range, very beginner-friendly. Cons: 4K camera lacks advanced color profiles, no obstacle avoidance, higher price than toy drones. Number 3. Potensic Atom SE, single-axis gimbal 4K drone. If you want something more affordable, the Potensic Atom SE is a great option. It comes with a 4K camera, single-axis gimbal, GPS, and a 4-kilometer control range, all while staying under 249 grams. While the single-axis gimbal isn't as smooth as a 3-axis setup, it still produces very usable video, especially for beginners. GPS Return to Home and stable hovering make it a safe and easy drone to learn with. Pros: lightweight and portable, GPS stability, easy to fly for beginners, good 4K video for the price. Cons: single-axis gimbal only, no obstacle avoidance, limited advanced shooting modes. Number 4. O19 drone, 4K camera, 3-axis gimbal, GPS positioning, and obstacle avoidance, and a touchscreen remote controller. The touchscreen remote controller makes this drone feel modern and intuitive. Flight stability is good, and obstacle avoidance helps prevent crashes, especially for less experienced pilots. This drone is ideal if you want advanced features at a mid-range price. Pros: touchscreen remote control, 3-axis gimbal, obstacle avoidance, GPS-assisted flight. Cons: battery life could be better. Camera quality is average in low light. Updates are inconsistent. Number 5. Wing 6 GPS drone, 8K camera with screen controller. Last but not least, we have the Wing 6 GPS drone. This drone offers an 8K camera, 3-axis gimbal, digital image transmission, and a remote with built-in screen. The Wing 6 is focused on aerial photography and long-range flying. The digital transmission provides a stable live feed, and the built-in screen controller is very convenient for outdoor use. It's a solid choice for users who want high resolution and convenience. Pros: 8K camera, 3-axis gimbal, built-in screen remote, stable long-range transmission. Cons: not ideal for beginners. Software could be optimized. Wind resistance is average. So, that wraps up our list of the top 5 best drones on AliExpress 2026. Check the description for the latest prices and deals. If you enjoyed this review, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and comment below which drone you'd choose. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.